Welcome back to Top 5 Repairs. Today's topic, I'm going to show you guys how to test for a bad coolant temperature sensor using a multimeter. So the test is going to be very simple. As you warm up your engine, the resistance on the coolant temperature sensor should start to decrease. Again, when temperature goes up, resistance goes down. What you're going to need is boiling water. So boil a pot of boiling water and you're going to pour it in a cup or a bowl, and we're going to test the coolant temperature sensor. Take your multimeter and set it to ohms. Next, connect the coolant temperature sensor to the test lead. As you can see, we have resistance. Next, take the pot of boiled water and pour it in the cup. So that water is extremely hot. Next, take the sensor and dip it in the water. So the resistance should start dropping. So again, as temperature increases, resistance should start to decrease. So as you can see, the sensor is working properly. And if I remove it from the cup of boiled water, the resistance should start to increase. When the coolant temperature sensor starts to cool, and that is when your engine is off, the resistance is starting to increase gradually. Now let's test the next sensor. So now let's get a fresh pot of boiled water, since it is nice and hot, and let's check this one. So again, as temperature increases, the resistance should start to decrease. I know you guys are going to ask this question: can you test the coolant temperature sensor on the vehicle? And the answer is yes. With the engine off and cool, all you have to do is disconnect the coolant temperature sensor connector, and you could take your multimeter and you could just test it that way. So keep an eye on the resistance on the multimeter screen. So as the engine starts to warm up, the resistance start to drop on the multimeter. I hope you found this video useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.